What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing slash unpackaging to do with you guys. I am really excited about this because I think I know what it is. I've been waiting for a while. This is the first time I've ever spent money on a nice item in this category. It's not a knife. I just really want to get into it. I'm just way too excited. I hope it's what I think. Yes. Yes, it is. Yes. Awesome. So those of you in the part of the community that enjoy other things besides knives, namely flashlights, will know exactly what it is. Those of you who can't stand watching videos of people struggle to open boxes have probably left already, but anyways, what we have here is an EDC-sized titanium flashlight. That is so cool. So this is the newest version of the Eagtac titanium, the C category. I don't know anything about flashlights. I'm gonna learn before I do the review. Once I started looking, I was like, why would anybody want to spend that much money on a flashlight? And then I started looking more, and I was like, oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, lumens? Okay, so what's that? Oh, so more lumens equals better? No, not necessarily. Sometimes there's different modes for different things. And then I was sucked in. So after 48 hours and a lot of messages back and forth with Harry and Jeff, who both, tried to give me a little bit of advice, I ended up with this guy. I think it's the Eagtac DC3 or D3C. There's a D3A that takes AA batteries. This takes a rechargeable C battery, which I also have in that package there. But this is super cool. There's no battery in it right now. We'll get to that in the review, but oh, I'm so happy this came in today. I'm so excited to talk about that. I don't know when the review is coming. It's going to take me a little bit to learn enough to, give you guys an actual review on that thing. But in any case, that's going to be it for today's short little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.